Welcome! Today we'll be taking a look at the Winco measuring cups. I've had these for a couple weeks now. I've been using them regularly and I'm really impressed. They work very well. In today's video, we're going to be looking at three parts. So let's begin. This is exactly how the items come out of the box. You can see they're all attached together with this little ring. The first recommendation I have is to remove this ring because it really gets in the way. Alright, now that we removed the ring, we're ready to continue. So let's take a look. Each of these cups has a handle that has been spot welded. There are a total of 4 spot welds per measuring cup, and these appear to be solid. You can tell from the little dots over here, and the handle does not budge. So 2 on each side. Over on the bottom of the measuring cups, we see the volume and support stamped. And finally, we see each of the measuring cups has a little spout that's been molded into it. So if you're measuring out liquids, you can dispense them easier. You have 4 of them. They come in 1/4 cup, 1/3 cup, 1/2 cup, and 1 cup. These are all stainless steel construction. If we take one of these, we can see that the metal is thin enough that you can kind of bend it with your hand if you tighten your grip on it, but they're still very, very durable. So I suspect that if we drop these, there's not going to be any damage. These will last a long time. The only risk being the handle. Spot welds are more prone to damage if dropped. These are pretty straightforward to use. The size of them, they fit in most containers when you're scooping things out. I find these are accurate enough for general use, but there are some deviations. In order to test out the accuracy, I did a water test where I went in and I dispensed one of these of each size onto a scale and I measured the amount. Then I compared the expected against what our actual results were. And I found that the 1/2 cup was the most inaccurate with about a 20% error. The 1 cup measure and the 1/3 cup measure were pretty much spot on. They did very well. The full results of the accuracy tests are in my written review below. Keep in mind that your specific set of measuring cups, it might be a little bit different. What I like about this from a fit and finish perspective is that there are no sharp edges. I can do this and my fingers won't get scratched. Even the handles, if I do this, it's not going to cut through my skin. There's really no touch-up I needed to do. I didn't have to go and sand any of these. I didn't need to go in and deburr any edges. Everything was smooth from the get-go. If I look around the sides, I don't see any casting marks. I don't see any scratches, any cracks. Everything is in great shape right out of the box. To sum things up, I highly recommend these. I expect to be using them for a long time. They're durable, they're pretty accurate with some deviations that I mentioned earlier, and they're really affordable at just about $2. It's a great price for them. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, let me know and I will do my best to answer them.